Hi, I'm Rob from The Art of Health. I help people to stay sharp and healthy as they age, as they grow older, by getting out into nature, stretching, moving, appreciating the seasons, by eating delicious, nutritious food. Wait till you taste my breakfast of brilliance. It's something else so good for you. I'll be telling you a bit more about that in a minute. And most importantly to me, by being creative, by turning your mind to creative endeavours, whether it's music, art, knitting, cooking, organising people. That's creative. It's like juggling soot sometimes, isn't it? By drawing, whatever it is, that things that fire both sides of your mind, repairs your synapses, keeps you sharp. Such a good thing for you. And I believe that the combination of these three things, movement, food and creativity, is a magic bullet to your good health and longevity. You'll live longer and you'll feel great. It'll increase your health span, I like to say, your health span. So if you'd like to find out more about The Art of Health, you can start by downloading my Breakfast of Brilliance recipe. You'll never look back. It's the best way to start the day. Put your details in here and I'll send it to you straight away. I hope I'll see you soon. I'm Rob. Have a great day. Bye.